Hello, I'm Dr. Rahaila. So in this short video, I'm going to show how you can install MongoDB with the latest version of 7.0. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to the MongoDB website, yeah, and then when you get this screen, go to products and then go to community server. Okay, so once you have this, yeah, scroll down and then select package. So over here, MongoDB will be able to detect the machine that you are on, and therefore if you have a Windows, it will actually have this platform, Windows x64, etc. And the current version is 7.0.2. So just simply download this. Okay, and once you have this, simply install it. Okay, so when you install it, you're going to get this pop-up window. And what you need to do is to click next, accept the license agreement, and then go next again. Over here, choose complete and just leave things as they are. You do have the option of not installing under program files, yeah. But in my case, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, over here, I don't advise you to install Compass because it's going to be quite heavy and we're not going to use Compass in our labs. So uncheck that and then click on next and then install. This may take some time. You wait patiently until it finishes. All right, so when you come to this pop-up window, it means that your installation is almost finished, and click on finish. Yeah. All right, then after that, what you need to do is, okay, go to services. Yeah, services. What we're doing here is that we're going to make sure that MongoDB is simply running when you want to run it. Okay, it's not going to be running at the background and then it will take up the memory. Your machine may become slow. All right. So over here, okay, go to MongoDB. So here it is. So as you can see here, its status is running, yeah, and its startup type is automatic, which means that whenever you start your machine, it will automatically start too. So what we want to do is we're going to go to the properties, right mouse click and then properties. And over here, we're going to change it to manual, all right? And then click OK. Right, so whenever you are done doing your lab work or using MongoDB, what you should do is you should right mouse click here at the services and then click on stop. And every time that you want to use MongoDB, you go back here and then click on start. Okay, so over here we have the MongoDB running. All right, the next thing that you need to do is to install the MongoDB shell. So unlike version 4.0, no, which used to be in the bin, okay, in the bin of your MongoDB, what you need to do, okay, now is basically to download, okay, to download the shell itself, right? So over here, you can go to MongoDB shell, download, yeah. And here you have the MongoDB shell download, okay. All right, so scroll down, and over here again, it detects, okay, your machine. At the package, instead of using zip file, you use the MSI so that it will automatically install. Okay, automatically install. So click on download, wait patiently, yeah, and once you have the MSI, install it. Okay, so I've already downloaded it earlier. So here it is. It's called Mongosh, okay, which is Mongo shell, and then the version and .msi. So click on that and then install this. So over here, I don't want it to be somewhere in my directory, my user directory. What I want to do is I want it to be, okay, I can actually go to here, okay, and I want it to be in the same file that I placed my MongoDB. So I'm going to go to my C and then let's see, where did I put it? Okay, it was in the program files and then it's in MongoDB and there's the server, that's 7.0. I want to put it in my bin, okay, because I'm from the old school, from version 4.0, so everything is in the bin. Then click OK, install it just for me, and then okay, I'm going to start the installation. So for this MongoDB shell, it's quicker compared to the database itself, right? Then click on finish. Okay, so basically where you're going to get the MongoDB shell, right? So you can go here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that's the Mongosh. Okay, so the Mongosh, okay, this one is, I'm going to go to the file location. Oh, no, the file location. My mistake, my bad. Okay, I'm going to go to here, go to file program, where I installed it just now, which is in the MongoDB server 7.0 bin. Okay, so now I have this, and this is the exe file, yeah, that I'm going to activate the Mongo shell. All right, so when it prompts for this, put in 1.1 to 7.0.0.1, which is the local host, right? And then you have your Mongo shell running. So you can actually use like ShowDB if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I forgot the ShowDBS if I'm not mistaken. DBS. There. Okay. So you can start with your lab exercise and later on with the lab test. So that's all for this video. Give it a try. Bye bye.